Hi everyone, welcome back to Senior Tech Desk. If you're tired of unwanted calls interrupting your day, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to block specific numbers and silence unknown callers on your iPhone. But first, we'll talk about the difference between these two options so you can decide which one works best for you. So let's go. First, the difference between blocking calls and silencing unknown callers. Blocking calls is like cutting off a specific number entirely. When you block a number, the person can't call, text, or FaceTime you. You won't even get notifications that they're trying to call. It's great for dealing with persistent nuisance calls or harassment. Silencing calls, on the other hand, is a broader feature that sends calls from anyone not in your contacts list straight to voicemail without ringing your phone. It's perfect for stopping spam and robocalls, but it still allows legitimate callers to leave a message. Now let's walk through how to use each one. So let's go ahead and block unwanted callers. Start by going to your phone app. Mine is on the bottom bar, but yours might be somewhere else. Once you have it open, tap on Recents, and then go to the number that you want to block and tap on the little blue eye icon. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Block Caller. Now they won't be able to call you or text you or FaceTime you. So you can see from here, you can also unblock them if you change your mind. Now let's look at it one more time with on-screen steps. Tap on the phone app, tap on the Recents button, and scroll to the number you want to block. Then tap the little blue eye icon, and then scroll to the bottom and tap Block Caller, and then Block Contact. That's it. Now let's look at how to silence calls. We're going to start by going to our Settings app. Looks like the gears. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Once you're there, scroll to the phone app. At the bottom of this page, here's the option for Silence Unknown Callers. Mine is currently on. Yours will be off if you haven't turned it on. So toggle it on, and that's it. Okay, let's look at how to do it one more time with on-screen prompts. Go to the Settings app, scroll all the way to the bottom, and tap on Apps. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Scroll to the bottom, tap on Silence Unknown Callers, and turn it on. You'll need to know how to manage blocked numbers in case you block someone accidentally. Start by going to Settings, scroll to the bottom, tap on Apps, once you're on the Apps page, scroll down to Phone, Tap on that. And then we're going to tap on blocked contacts. This is my list of blocked numbers. If you haven't been blocking numbers, you probably won't have any. But once you do, if you blocked someone by accident, the way to undo it is just swipe and tap unblock. Swipe and tap unblock. If you decide you want to create a contact for them, you can also do that here. Tap on the number you want to create a contact for. Maybe it's your doctor's office and you didn't have their number before. So just create new contact and put in their information and then click done. You might be wondering why I'm okay showing all these numbers. The reason is simple. They're all spam or robocalls. If anyone wants to call one of those numbers, that's perfectly fine with me. Now let's look at the on-screen steps one more time. To manage your blocked numbers, go to the Settings app, scroll all the way down to the bottom to the Apps section, scroll down and tap Phone, and then scroll to Blocked Contacts. You'll see all the numbers you've blocked. So let's finish up. You'll use block calls when you want to block a call entirely. No notifications, no FaceTime, no phone calls, no texts. You can use silence unknown callers if you get a lot of calls from numbers that you don't know. These calls will be sent directly to your voicemail. One exception, incoming calls can still ring from your contacts and from numbers you have recently called, even if they're not in your contact list. So if you've called them, they can still call you. I hope that summarizes the difference between the two and helps you decide which one you should use. These tools give you control over who can contact you. I hope it brings peace and quiet to your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.